everybody, welcome back to my channel tonight. I'm gonna do some type of a getting back to my roots swipe tonight. I have a lot of leftover paint that has been sitting for a bit in my squeeze bottles, and a lot of these have silicone in them, and I need to use some of this up before it gets too old. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna have some fun and get back to the roots of doing some acrylic paint pouring tonight. So I hope you follow along. I'm going to put on some music. You can speed ahead at your own pace, however you like. I don't know if many people know, but in YouTube, on your screen down at the bottom, there's a settings button. You can click that settings button, and it'll take you to, you can watch in different formats. You can watch in HD, you can speed up or slow down the process, so you can actually watch it at a fast forward pace. So just be aware of that. It's in the settings button down below. And you can kind of set it to how you want to watch the video. So put on some music, but you can fast forward and put on your own music, and let's just get started and have some fun. So this was a fun little swipe that I did, and I'm surprised that it dried so well. There was a lot of silicone in my paint, and even though I shook the bottles really well, this was old paint that had sat for a while. So I wasn't sure what my result was going to be. I thought maybe a lot of oil would pop to the surface of the canvas once it was dry, but as you can see, it did not. I mean, none at all, which is surprising. So I just gave this one a little bit of a 3D effect. I might embellish this in the future. I've kind of got an idea for a background. If I do that, I'll do a video on it. But I hope you enjoyed following along on this video today. And I will see you on my next one. In the description box down below, there'll be a link to my Instagram and to my Etsy store. You all take care, and I'll see you soon.